What's up, everyone? This is a unboxing and demonstration of, well, the Logitech Z313. I've had one of these before when I was pretty young, actually, so it's been around for quite a while. Now, they've kind of redesigned their box and logo and stuff, but, right. Yeah, so it looks a bit different. I quite like the new one. The new box, actually. Even though I kind of forgot what the old one looked like. Alright, first thing I can tell is they've kind of included a nice bag to hold the subwoofer in. So yes, it's a 2.1 stereo. Alright, this is the speaker. I don't know how big that is. I can measure that. Where's my measurement? Alright, here it is. Even though it's kind of worn off, I can still tell. Speaker is about 5 inches. And the speaker itself inside is about 4 inches. But 5 inches includes the screw holes. So, where the screws go. Yeah. Anyway, now there are 2 satellite speakers right here. These ones will go on your desk. And they connect with a 3.5mm jack, so you could technically plug in these to a headphone jack, see if those work. Yeah, I think it works with a headphone jack. I've tried that. Now, these are, like I said, the satellite speakers. They plug into a port on the back. Hang on. And hold up. I need scissors. Hope I don't cut the cord itself. That won't be good. Alright. That's gone. Now this is held on with tape, so I gotta cut that as well, being aware not to cut the cord. Gonna get, alright. I have lots of trash, let me get the trash can. And here's the control pod. Of course, another bag been taped up. Alright. So here's the control pod. There's a volume control. There's a headphone jack. That's very nice. And there's also a power button to turn it on and turn it off. Wait, there's also no bass control, so you can't exactly ask how much bass you want, but if your computer has configurable bass, like mine does, because I have Realtek audio control, maybe yours will if it's a custom built PC, but if it's not, it rarely does. But it will have some audio control. Yeah, from the music app, I guess. Whatever app you use for music. So, power cord. Like, it's pretty standard what you get. The 3.5mm jack is abnormally small and thin, so it'll look different from other ones that you've seen. Like this, which has much more structure and rigidity to its own structure. Why am I even talking about this? Its own structure. Anyway, that's not the point now. Take a look at the subwoofer in its normal state, right there. It's a pretty big subwoofer. Actually pretty small, I have to say, compared to other ones I've seen. This is my hand on the subwoofer, and, well, I do have pretty big hands, so this would look a bit, yeah. All right, let's see what's comparable. All right, here. This is a pretty standard clipboard, all right? Now, this is the clipboard next to the subwoofer. So, it is smaller than a clipboard. The relatively standard one, so yeah. Now it's time to set up the speaker system with my computer. And so guys, as you can see, I've wired it up to my computer, which is right here. You see, there it is. And down there is my subwoofer. You see it, it's pretty small. So, I'm gonna play some music on this set of speakers. I will include the links and give credit. And here we go. This is just one that many YouTubers have already used in their videos, so I hope this works. So as you can see, it has a lot of bass. Now we're gonna just pop the subwoofer onto the desk, and I will show you, I guess, the speaker moving to show that it's actually working and it's not edited. So, and here we go. So, yeah, it works. And it works well. I got this for $33 at Target. So if you ever want to go get yourself a set of these speakers, go ahead. You could get it at most large retail stores, or you could get it on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link to that, or on their website, I think. And I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Now, anyway, if you want more bass on your set of speakers, you could always go to this, which is on most custom computers. Like I said, I've built this myself. So other people who do have this motherboard installed in their computer, a gigabyte motherboard, usually have this. It's a Realtek audio manager, HD audio manager, I believe. Is it? Yeah, HD audio manager. You could configure sound effects, equalizer, stuff like that. So I've set mine to bass, and that's why it sounds so great. Okay, maybe not when you're watching. If you're watching on a smartphone, I guess. Yeah, but on headphones, I think you'd hear its sound quality. So there it is. Sort of looks like this. It might look a bit different because this one's Gigabyte's version. They might have Asus versions, which I've seen before on my friend's computer. Or they have others. I don't know. That's the most I've seen. There are some audio configurations in the app you use to play music with. For example, I use iTunes, as you see in the back. So yeah, it's kind of how to configure audio if you have, I don't know, speakers. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button right down there. And also the like button, which is over there. And I will see you next time. So I've owned these speakers for about a day, and I'm back to give you the report. The sound quality is amazing, all right, for $33, and I'd recommend it. It fits most computer setups, but the subwoofer, it's a bit bulky, but not much actually. Like I showed earlier in this film, it's quite small actually for a subwoofer, but it packs a lot of, you know, bass. That's what it's supposed to do. It's very good. So good. In fact, I'm going to turn on my computer and let you hear its startup sound that I programmed it to. Remember, this runs Windows 10. Yep, sorry for the long boot up time, but you heard that, the Windows XP sound on a Windows 10 computer. I just wanted to sort of troll the people who turn on my computer thinking, oh, it's a Windows XP, but it's Windows 10. Well, it's just a fun prank. And something to make me laugh every time I turn on the computer. But anyway, thanks for watching once again. And I will see you next time. Hit that like button, which is I think somewhere down there, and the subscribe button, which is over there, right next to, if I'm right next to my profile picture. Yeah, see you next time. Yeah. Yeah.